sweethearts here, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I am with the beautiful Bethany. You can find her on Instagram, Bethany Jade. I'll put the link in the description. So I'm going to be showing you today how to do a messy bun, and I know a lot of you have said you really struggle with this technique, so I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. See what you think. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to be dividing the hair into two, so if you can just pop your chin up for me one sec, Bethany. So I've done the top bit as a part line, and I've found the centre of the neck there. And I'm just going to get my comb, she says, and go all the way to my finger. And then just see what that looks like, see if I like it as a part line. A little bit more down there. And that is it. That is our centre part. And then I'm just going to place this hair in a hair tie out of my way. Now, I don't want this look to be too kind of styled and done. So what I'm doing is I'm actually just working the hair with my fingers. Now, if you struggle doing this, by all means, grab a brush. But I'm just going to kind of like rub my fingers up through the hair like that. And I want this sitting kind of really high up on the head. So I'm really working it up high. And I'm just going to place that in a hair tie. You can just kind of mess that up a little bit more, depending on what kind of look you're going for, really. Exactly the same on the other side. So, messy bun time. Quite hard to get a messy bun right sometimes. So one of the techniques that I like to use is splitting the hair into two and literally tying a knot. So exactly like a shoelace. So, round it goes, a knot. I'm going to do one more. If you've got long hair, just keep going down the hair. And then I'm just going to bring that hair around the front. And I'm actually just going to leave that little tail out. I think it looks really cute. And then I'm going to pin it. So literally going in with a pin, grabbing hold of a bit of hair on the bun, bringing it back through and pushing. Show you that again. So I'm just grabbing hold of a bit of hair on the bun, grabbing hold of a bit of hair on the head, so going sort of towards the face and then away from the face. And just keep putting pins in until you're kind of happy with how it's sitting, how it's looking. And then I might just kind of like tease the bun out a little bit. And then same on this side, guys. So how easy is this? Take the hair, divide it in two, roughly tie a knot, tie another knot, more knots if it's longer hair, taking it around, messing with it until it's sitting where you want it to sit, and then pin. So what do you think, guys? That was pretty easy, wasn't it? I think you could have a go at that 100%. So I'm going to do a little spin so you can see from all angles. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please look out next week for another tutorial. I'd love to know if you have tried to recreate this style. Don't forget to tag me over on Instagram, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye.